Hello, it's another great day for math. This is question 23, and the topic of it, underlying it, is first and foremost coordinate geometry. So, if you recall this topic in secondary 3, the main thing is about y equals to mx plus c, right? Quick recap: m standing for the gradient, the slope of the line, and c talking about the y-intercept. So we have this equation of the line already, okay? We know the gradient and we know the y-intercept. But the underlying concept actually on top of it is that the line passes through these 2 points. And if you recall, coordinates are made up of x and y values. And in particular, everyone, the x and y values actually talk about these x and y values in the equation of a line. So we are going to do the magic thing that starts with s, which is to substitute each point, the x and y, into the equation given here. Okay, so with the point a, 2b, and I substitute let x be a and y be 2b into this equation of the line, I will get 2b is equals to 3 times a minus 6. So we want to show that it will end up with either of these two equations here. Then it becomes a typical simultaneous equations question. So with that, it looks like it's this equation here. So I will expand this out here. And I will shift 2b to this side and minus 6 to the other side. So we will have positive 6 is 3a minus 2b. Now this turns out exactly by flipping it around to be the first equation here. So we'll just leave that. Now with the second point, 3a, 7b, we will let x take on the value of 3a and y to take on the value of 7b. So now let's put it in. And you will have 7b is equals to 3 times of 3a minus 6. Expanding that out, we'll get 9a minus 6. And again, swapping sides, 7b and the negative 6 swapping sides, I'll get positive 6 is 9a minus 7b, and flipping it around, we will get exactly equation 2 here. So once we're done, we have shown by coordinate geometry and by the word that starts with S, substitution, we can obtain these two simultaneous equations.